Siyabingelela ubingelela babo dokotela babo besizwe babo Jabulile ufana umhlenje yakhe umzukulu amancinci ngisolo futhi angiqolisi namhlanje siseThekwini lapho sikhona. Sise building to Nedbank House building kuyashisa sigqilaza ngokotini mekushisa. A man in black and the wall is black. Oh, door is not black. Camera is black, not cameraman is black. Bantu bakithi ubaba udokotela uyinyanga umela lapha edabuko ngisebenzela building to Nedbank House building njengamanje siyashuta sise studio number 1 at dark room e19 floor 1904 ilapho ke shootela khona. Sibonge ukuthi nje enikwazi ukuthi kuzokushaya lesikhathi. Ake ngene kwi topic yathi namhlanje ithi tenant is sick. Tenant is sick. It is a disaster. It is a disaster. Bantu bakithi, I have spoken to people before that never suffer a stroke whereby you are staying as a tenant. You'll be in for trouble. Never get sick, like seriously sick, lethargy, bedridden as a tenant. You cannot, or a landlord will never tolerate you not to pay rent for 2 months. You become a liability to your employer if you earn your 75% while you are not coming at work. To suffer a stroke is a minimum of 9 to 16 to 18 months to be treated completely. Stroke is not a joke. It's not like a headache or toothache. It's not a diarrhea. These things, they have to be told. As a tenant, we are good as a payer. Noma ungangahlala in your room as long if you pay. Aban landlords are greedy. By far, they will never tolerate your first 30 days without paying rent. Leave alone your first 60 days without paying rent. There are tenant abangakwazi ukulinda 2 days ungarentanga. How much more beza ukuthi uyagula, ulele empedeni, you wearing pampers, you wearing diapers, we are vomiting. Your landlord will never ask you to die or permit you to die in his property. If he is too sick, move him out from my place. If he's too sick, don't allow him to die in my flat. Baget agesi ikhulumeni lento nibe ama nerves na aqala besipanje. Stop being against me, because all I am saying here, we cannot tolerate to see people abanemali they remain as tenants. Siyazibonile imoto ohamba ngazo. The cars that you are driving, it should not model you to be a tenant, because your car is too expensive. Same amount of 25,000 rand that you are paying for your car, you're supposed to be paying a bond. You are supposed to be paying a bond ngalo mali le. Manje ngalo ndlela abantu bakithi we have to be critical when it comes to you people, because asisho kubantu thina abangenayo imali. You cannot be wearing a jacket of 75,000 rand and you are still renting a place to stay. Your shoes are too expensive. Your shoes are 35,000 rand and you are still expecting us to bear with you. Your watch speaks. You cannot be wearing a Rolex of 250,000 and you are still a tenant. You are breaking too much to your friends. What was the need of buying McLaren, but you are still a tenant somewhere else? Why were you buying a Lamborghini? We are still a tenant somewhere else. Mercedes-Benz S500 AMG, and we are still a tenant somewhere else. You are spending 4 million rand on a mobile car. Hence, we are supposed to spend 1.5 million rand. 1.5 million rand on a residential property. And this is a 3-bedroom flat in Victoria Embankment in Durban. It's 1.5 million. You go this John Ross building, 101 building, you find flats that are much cheaper than your cars. Go to Morningside where we stay. You find houses that are much cheaper than... There is no need of buying a 4 million worth of car. And you are supposed to be paying 2.5 million buying a house. People, you are still a tenant. And then, kuyo yonke lento, once wagula, you'll see your friends leaving your body like ticks. Amazenza yaphuma ifinyoka injishawa inyoka. Or your friends will leave you like ticks. You'll be alone in your flat. No one will come for you. Unless your sister feel sorry and pick you up. Dadwenu afike akhiphe imoto yakhe egarage abeke ispan abeke umbhede oyisingili arrange kahle bakline kahle bapende ngopende omhlophe phakathi bathi umalume uzolala ngeke umalume ingane yakwethu ngeke ifele emafletini engingawazi. Akuthatha udadwenu oyolala egarage imoto yakhe ilale ngaphandle because no dadwenu uhlala ku 2-bedroom house unezingane zakhe ngaphandle. Wena ubona kukhulu kwakona ukuthi ukubeke lapha yana. Uzoshaya amahloni mekulethela imovathe ekseni. Ushaya amahloni mekulethela amapijama amasha. Kade umthuka udadwenu uthulala namazayizaya akithi. Ubumthuka. Uthe ekhaya akazi bekhona ingane ePakistan amasimba la wenzayo. Bakutshela amasimba kodwa namhlanje upoqokile. Neqhoma ngathi wardrobe. Uyini mosonjeni? Kodwa sasikutshela sithi kule channel we need to construct people. We need to build people. We have to tell people the truth. You can never be a tenant for this long. Bantu bakithi i-channel yenu, if we can't speak the truth, we have to lie. Don't pay us to lie. Funa sintshele iqiniso ba lento yenu tenanting akuyona lifestyle le. Mina I'm a tenant in a commercial building. I'm a tenant in Salisbury Center 347 West. I'm a tenant in Nedbank House building 72 Dennis Hall Street. I'm a tenant, but I've got my own properties. Own properties. Engisho ukuthi bakithi kune scam la ngifuna ukuthi ngeke ngintshele sona. Not ukuthi a scam as such, but le nto lana ngazi ukuthi bizwa ngami. We got people abafuna ukuthatha imali zethu bathi invest in properties. Baba ngumsindo engazi ukuthi khona into abeza nayo. I understand. Abantu abanama property, they will tell me bazongisupport unless umuntu ongenayo angangiphikisi. Umuntu onabantu abawu40 abarenta ama flats akhe eMthatha, East London, eMdantsane kuphi. Lo muntu njengamanje unama rooms awu40, unama rooms awu7 empty. How's that? Unama rooms awu7 vacant angakaza befill up. Kusho ukuthi lawa amanye ke asela awu33. Kukhona abawu4 abahleze bephuma njalo bengarentile bethi ngithole enye indawo ukuhlala. Barento 1 month bahamba indlu isale empty 3 months kungena omunye ahlale 4 months ahambe nayo ngarentile athi uthole indawo ukuhlala. You understand? Engisho ukuthi asiyekeni isiloko siphushela abantu odongeni sithi investing in property you can't go wrong. Mina ngihlala eThekwini, ngwaseThekwini. Mina ngiyibonile igame ishove eThekwini, angikhuluma into engicabanga. Umuntu waseThekwini uzozibamba le pelete engizomnika zona, yabo. Sinendawo ethiwa iAlbert Park. uSt Andrews, St George's. Ama flat lapha yana kade bewathenga abantu ngo1991, 92, 93. Lama flat kade dayisa o85,000 rand. 75,000 amanye. Ama studio flats ethayiswa o65,000. Abiza kakhulu edayiswa o120,000. That was 1990 to 1993 kuze kushawa 1994. Today uma ngakuthatha mina ngithi ahamba uye Albert Park eSt Andrews, St George's, uyobheka lo maflat kanjani. Today is 2025 March. Lo maflat awavumelekile ukuhlala abantu. Awana gesi, awana manzi, akurenti umuntu, kuhlala ama drug dealer, kuhlala ama traffickers abenza i-human trafficking, i-prostitution laphayana, yonke into laphayana. Ama flats they have run down. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu nowa investor ethi uthenga iflat ngoba uhlala eMthatha ubona ubambe lento ukuthi i-duty sethu uzofaka ama student. Kade ngise Waverly flat ngo1996 abantu abazobamba intabo zolwembo bayabamba. Ama flat laphana 1996 kade 1.5 million. Bekuhlala belungu isikhathi esiningi. Today you be allowed to find a flat la lo mali. Today you allowed to find a flat. I101 was one of the building elalibiza. Ilokhu John Ross building leli uS leThekwini lalibiza into eyisimanga, but ngena manje ucheck ku property SA ucheck iJohn Ross building uthi ama flat ayimalini lapha yana. They are cheaper compared to before. And then asiyekeni siloku siphushela abantu entweni verse sazi ukuthi ayiyona lento i-theory njengento lento njengalamabhuku afundwa izenkolo. Amability eThekwini commercial buildings by far are empty. Are empty amability. Uthola ukuthi ifloor enye iempty yonke ifloor. baze elinye balidivide ama-petition amancane ukuthi kuzongena abantu barente ama-doors because abantu aba-property owners, they are struggling. They are really struggling. Then ake siphume nje kupusheleni abantu ukuthi benze ama-mistake bathathe imali zabo zogcina bangene kwi-property. Kunabantu kwaMash kwa-F aba-investor bakhe iy'tolo bakhe ama-shopping center yonke into namhlanje leyo nto worth nothing. Abafana bashisa amathayi kuphela bashisa iy'ntambo zekhopha laphana kwafika udlame yasha yonke lento yaphela yonke le nto le thina besinonozaza intuzuma a complex expensive indlela eyisimanga leya complex uma ungayikala ngoka namhlanje bungayithatha ngo-plus or minus 35 or 40 million leya complex namhlanje you-fuck all kwa-investwa laphana in property. Engisho ukuthi le nto silokhu siphushela abantu sibenza iy'nyoni sibaphushela abantu invest in property abantu la komgababa lana nje eduzana komgababa Adams bakhe izindlu lapha ama-double story nama-triple story they can't even sell what it half worth. Iy'tezi emgababa ziyo 750,000 iy'tezi emgababa zo 800,000 isitezi ongeke ukwazi ukusithola eMorningside ngalo mali eMorningside uthola iflat ngalo mali abantu bak-investe in property emgababa babheka ulwandle le nto iyabhidlika i-foundation yakhona ihlabathi yonke iyabhidlika ayibhidlika into uzobona indlu ilenga kanje akakwazi ukuyidayisa ukhokhela ithala namanje wayithenga ngebhank iyaqhubeka isendi yehle phumani ekutheni aku-invest kuma-properties. We are wasting people's time. Uma ucabanga i-investment yakho awukhinje uphume nje kule nto ukuthi I invest in properties nginama-flats hamba eClermont uyobona abantu abakha ama-flats ngempela bakha 5 stories high 3 stories high 2 stories high today they worth nothing. This is Babu Dr. Babu says about Jabul Falo Jack Mzulu. Hey, angengene kule nto yenkolo abo le nto futhi yenkolo amadoda ibasanganisile abantu. A religion, it's one of the things that was used by colonizers as a model tool, highly sophisticated to suppress the ignorance and the poor so that they cannot attack the bourgeoisie. That's all. This thing here, religion, ake siphume nje kuyona siqale nezinye izinto mhlawumbe ezosisebenzela le nto ayisebenzele yanto thina. Both parties, Islamic and Christianity, they tell you about one person who sits in heaven or who stays in heaven, who created earth. They call him its God. I don't have a problem. Ngibuza ukuthi mina ngokwamiki yabo ngempela uNkulunkulu uhlala ezulwini. Bonke baphendula bathi yes Babu Dawutela, God lives in heaven. Ngithi mina uNkulunkulu udala umhlaba. Is God created earth as well? Indeed, Babu Dawutela, God created earth as well. Oh, that's nice. Where was he staying before? God, where was he staying before he created heaven and earth? Where was he staying before? Ngiyabamba ngokwelokishi thina saseyinyoni singekho. Wasikhandela iRDP le umhlaba. Ngiyabamba ngokwezigebengu wakha iParliament leli leyizulu ohlala nabaxhaka laba bazengilosi. Uyayizwa lento? Ihlama vese leziyana. Uhlala nazo ke zampathe leziyana. Akwazi ukuthi ungaloku usaluthi indoda eyodwa uthi yebo baba. No, noma uhlala phela ngoba uyiphumela eminyango yobhema. Yona ingilosi esuthi ayisaqale nje. Asaqale nje yona ukuthi ihambe yobhema. Ake uNkulunkulu uyibambeke ngokomgaqo. Wakhe izulu akha umhlaba. Ezulwini uhlala khona ubehlala pha ngene eqaleni. Esefika ohlala ezulu ushiye balade ehlala khona. Ingane zakho uzile nazo ngapha, imoto zakho uyipaka pha. Asibambi kahle ukuthi ubehlala pha lomthaka. Yabo? Ake nisitshele. Nina nobabili maSulumane namaKristu nihlangane ndawonye emva kwendlu bese kubuye kuza one by one. Uthi yewu abdotela ngithi ubani lona athi mina ngithi lalela ke sithini ngathi hayi kahle uNkulunkulu mase silanda ngokwelokishi ubehlala endaweni ukuthi nento zakho ayishela phansi wakhe izulu ngoba nje asibambi ngempela ukuthi lapha ya ushiye balade ehlala khona. Where was he staying before lomthaka lona? This is Babu Dawutela Babu says about Jabul Falo Jack Mzulu amancincisi. Uyazi eyinto uyayibuza ukuthi ngempela uma kuthiwa religion was good, there was no way Islam would be given to Africans. There'll be no way. Arabs are filthy rich by far in terms of oil. They are helping 0 people in Africa who practice Islam. Oh? I repeat, Ama-Arab are rich by far through oil, but they are not helping any African country who embraced Islam. They are not helping any Indian country. Bangladesh is rubbish. Pakistan is rubbish. They are not helping anyone because money values something. They gave them Quran, papers with ink. Come to Christianity. Ukuba ngempela lenkolo yesu Kristu yayingakwazi. We find that labantu abaphethe ama oil rigging companies, they are not helping any country for the fact that they are practicing Christianity. They bailed out their religion because we as abantu bendabuko ngisazoke ngilungisele igama elithi we are Africans. Le nto safuna siyibulale ngenduku iphele nje ngaphinde umuntu akubize ngoAfrica umekubiza udonsa umkhonto uzongijwayela mzangishaga egori phinde ungibize ngomAfrica ngizophinda ngiyibambe nje bese ngikunikezela uphathe kanje uyibhale phansi special book sakho uthi yabo manje ngine pocket book la engibuka khona yonke into wabudodela ishona ngoba ngempela into okubizwa abantu ngamaAfrica siyadakelekwa nje kahle sinokuxhaphazeka okukhona labantu sinokuxhaphazeka. We are not Africans. Engisho ukuthi we as Bantu people, we had our own religions and we bailed out. We took Christianity, we took Islam. We practicing their religion. Bona they taken nothing from us beside the land. Ayikho into abafuna ukuyipractice yethu. Ngalo ndlela they are not helping us with anything for us surrendering our religion, our model of practice, our gods, our ancestors, our amathongo. But now siphethe lamaqiniso lapho. Okay, ake sibuye ke sizana. Bona labafethu bobabili, Jehovah and Allah. Bona nje bobabili sebehlule ukuqeqa lenyoni uSathane abayigxobe ngesicathulo nje. Kambi. Bona ke nje bobabili, Jehovah and Allah. If they call each other, njengoba ngithi yabona le dimdim lezi uPutin beno Trump, bayafonelana behleba ngalesitabane lesi sase Ukraine. Bafonelana bathe lithini letsatsatsa. Yabo. Kahle ke yini bona bobabili behlule ukubulala uSathane. Bona ke bobabili. Sabe izinkinga engaka afuna siye emasontweni, ufuna so fast, afuna siye ema mosque, ufuna senza ukuthi ngoba kunale nyoni le yodwa nje ehlulayo. Yindaba. Nango nje bakwazi ukuthi le hlama zasepheshe mebona ukuthi uSaddam Hussein senenkinga sebamngena ngegori umshaka ngothayela wamashamathambo. Yabo kwathona bahlangana nabeli bathe xa sazoshaya inyoni ngegori bayikhanda fabishanga uthayela bayishiye. Yabo bahlulwa yini labathaka bobabili lezangilosike zonke nomtsotsi bazoke leso bazi ukuthi zinabo zihlulwa yini ukolanda lamfowethu zimbuye zimbeke phambi kokuthi uNkulunkulu nazo esibuyela lomthaka simenze njani siyazothuka okeqa abantu emhlabeni simenze njani okusho ukuthi naye uNkulunkulu akagcwali ngathi ngoba there is no way in your senses if uSathane emumbi ngalondlela. When can you imagine having a 5-bedroom house? Assume there is a snake, there are children there, and there is a snake. Oyibambile. Uyibambe ngenduku, uyibambe ngenduku uyimusa uyiphonsa ngewendi la kuhlala khona indle ezingane zakho that you love. uSathane walethelana emhlabeni. Wengelethwa ngani kuJupiter. Maningi ama-planet uNkulunkulu anithatha msekona. Yini amletha lana ukusho ukuthi verse nemfutho iPeleti zakhe zimhlopha akakhanyi kwayena uNkulunkulu akaqinisile kahle akakenalo iqiniso bangamncenga bamchazele ngoba bemthanda nabo khona into emhlaba bahamba ngawo ngewayini yabo amasulumane ngapha sitshela naye ukuthi uNkulunkulu ushaya phansi awashe ididi ngesandla okay kulungileke abasindabe ngesandla nangapha babamba uGode bathi uJesu ubuya nilo mthaka waphela induku naye ngaze abacabanga kumanje itishi zakhe zikaPaul holy grant okulimala kwayena uJesu holy grant okulimala angabuya kanjani ezelana evese qualify kwegrant walinyazwa yithini imbobo zikanje angiyikhulume lento ake siyibone into esimoshela isikhathi ake siyibone le isimoshela isikhathi ake sifocus kokunye okungasisiza asikwazi usingagijinyiswa uSathane kangaka bobabili labo God abasho lutho ngaye le ngilosi eziseva labo God azikwazi ukulanda le nyoni le zibeke la ziyibulala ngenduku This is Babu Dr. Babu Sis Bawujabulile lapho uJesu khona eqoqe abantu wabagcwalisa ipodium ekhuluma nabo be-5,000 ebafida izinkwa eziwu-5,000. Can you imagine izinkwa eziwu-5,000? Yazi deliver ngani? You need caught 14 trucks to deliver 5,000 breads. And uJesu did it like that. How will you walk around with 5,000 bags? How big is your bag? Fish. You'll never fish 5,000 fishes and bring it over. You need days to get those 5,000 fishes, scale it down, clean it, give it to people. How come laba bawusele nje hey abona no Jesu ne ayeyeye lo mfowethu unethuba ngakhulu naye unamanga lo ababa ngimazi mina uyitshela validation uthi ofish babe u5,000 ofish abe u5,000. What kind of fish was that? Were sardines or what? Only sardines could be 5,000. Not bubbles, not dolphins, not small sharks. What kind of deliver? Can you imagine imoto ze deliver ama fried fish ehanjiswa abantu aba 5,000? How many vehicles? Ispace sokupaka lezi zinto ezopaka. Uzothi uma it was a miracle. If it was a miracle, what is the synonym of the word miracle? It is a magic. If Jesus was a magician, okusho ukuthi simosha isikhathi ke lapho. Asahambe sobuka esehambe soyibukela into zama magic on YouTube. We cannot be following a magician. A magician ushaya ngokwaselokishini. Jesus could not be a magician. And then stop pushing that it was a miracle. Because I will ask you, what is the synonym of the word miracle? Don't ever make a mistake, say it's magic. Because if he was a magician, then don't forget. Forget. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sis Bawujabulile. You will never find me in any of your churches. You will never find me in any of your mosques because I've got no time to waste. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sis Bawujabulile. Siyabonga.